Montage of Messi's lavish lifestyle, showcasing his cars, watches, and luxurious surroundings. Welcome to the world of Messi, where money is no object, and extravagance is the name of the game. Today, we're taking a peek into his lavish life, revealing 10 items that cost more than most of us will ever earn. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer opulence that defines Messi's world. Let's kick things off with a car that's not just a car, it's a statement. Messi owns a Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, a hypercar that's both a technological marvel and a work of art. Its 1600 horsepower engine and record-breaking speed make it one of the fastest cars in the world. And the price tag? A cool $3.9 million. Now, for a timepiece that's more than just a watch, it's a piece of jewelry. Messi's Richard Mille RM56-02 Sapphire Tourbillon is a masterpiece of engineering and craftsmanship. Made from transparent sapphire crystal, it's the most expensive watch in the world, priced at a jaw-dropping $2 million. Of course, no extravagant lifestyle is complete without a luxurious home. Messi's Beverly Hills mansion is a true palace, with sprawling gardens, multiple pools, a state-of-the-art home theater, and views that stretch for miles. It's estimated to be worth upwards of $100 million. When you have a life as lavish as Messi's, you need a mode of transportation that reflects your status. He owns a Gulfstream G650ER, a private jet that's considered the ultimate luxury aircraft. It boasts a spacious cabin, state-of-the-art entertainment systems, and the ability to travel anywhere in the world in unparalleled comfort. The price? About $75 million. Messi has a passion for art, and his collection is filled with masterpieces by some of the most renowned artists in the world. One of his most prized possessions is a Van Gogh painting, valued at over $100 million. When it comes to fashion, Messi has a taste for the most luxurious brands. He has a collection of Hermes Birkin bags that are not just handbags, they're investments. Some of these bags are incredibly rare and can fetch prices upwards of $200,000. But what's a luxurious life without a vessel for adventure? Messi owns a superyacht, a floating palace that boasts multiple decks, a helipad, a swimming pool, and enough space to entertain a large group of friends. It's a true statement of his wealth and love of the sea, with a price tag that can easily reach tens of millions of dollars. Messi's travels are not just vacations, they're adventures. He frequents private islands and exclusive resorts, indulging in the finest dining and entertainment. These luxurious getaways can cost tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands, per night. And finally, no look at Messi's lavish life would be complete without mentioning his collection of diamonds and rare gemstones. He owns necklaces, earrings, and rings that are adorned with some of the most precious stones in the world. EACH piece valued at millions of dollars. End card with a call to action to subscribe for more luxurious adventures, celebrity news, and insights into the world of wealth and glamour.